When I first heard the word dashboard, I thought it was just for coders, analysts, and people with fancy degrees like this guy. I was completely wrong. One day a client sent me an Excel file that looked like this. It was messy and hard to read. He asked me, "Can you show this data in a cleaner way?" I had no idea what he meant by cleaner, so I opened up Excel, used a pivot table to summarize everything and group similar items together. I added slicers so the reader could play with the data and filter it however they wanted. I cleaned up the headers, added some conditional formats, made the chart look nicer, and boom, I had created my first dashboard. It took me less than an hour and the client loved it. He paid me $60, and that's when I realized you don't need to be a coder or analyst to build dashboards. You just need to know the logic behind them. Since then, I've built many dashboards for different teams like sales, HR, marketing, and even YouTubers. All I use is drag and drop, formulas, and a little bit of creativity. Most people think dashboards need to be super complicated, but the truth is they should be really simple. You just need to answer 3 questions. What numbers matter? Who's looking at the dashboard, and what do they want to track? Once you figure that out, the rest is easy. It doesn't matter if your data is in an Excel file, Google Sheet, Airtable, or database. The logic is the same. You just need to know how to connect the dots. After playing around with a few tools, I learned how to structure data, use pivot charts, apply filters, and tell a story with my visuals. That's when clients started calling me a dashboard expert. But here's the funny thing, I haven't written a single line of code, not one. If you want to learn how to build dashboards without coding, check out this playlist right here. It has step-by-step tutorials for beginners. Don't wait to learn how to code to start building dashboards. You can get started today with what you have. That's all you need. If I can do it, trust me, so can you.